As someone who travels a lot, I like to keep things simple when I can. This time, I was packing for a 4-day warm weather domestic trip. No overthinking, no ultra optimized system. I tested 3 basic methods: folding, compression cubes, and rolling. Not aiming for perfection, just looking for what worked easiest and fastest for this particular trip. First up, folding. It's classic, quick, and neat, but the space gone fast. I couldn't fit either pair of shoes, and the suitcase was full before I finished. Definitely not the most efficient. Next, compression packing cubes. They keep things organized and compact, but they do take up their own space. I fit 1 pair of shoes this time, but it took some adjusting to make it all work. Finally, rolling. I rolled every item and packed the gaps. Everything fit, including both pairs of shoes, and the suitcase zipped with no struggle. It was fast, flexible, and honestly, the easiest overall. So for this trip, rolling took the win. No extra gear, no wasted space, and I didn't have to overthink it. It won't be the best method for every situation, but for short trips like this, it was my go-to.